Good morning ka-friendship! Today's video ay magluluto tayo ng pinakbet Ilonggo style. Okay, so without further ado, let's do the rock and roll. And here are the ingredients. We're going to do first ka-friendship, sa isang preheated pan, maglalagay tayo ng cooking oil. Ayan. And then, idagdag at isutay natin ang ating garlic. Dagdag na rin natin ang ating sibuyas. Ang ating kamatis. At saka ang ating pork. Season lang natin ng konting salt sa concept. At saka pepper. So, hayaan na lang muna natin siya dyan sa concept hanggang sa maging brown yung ating pork. Okay, balikan natin siya later. So, ayan na ka-friendship, okay na yung pork natin. At this point, pwede na natin idagdag ang ating shrimp paste. And at this point, pwede na tayong magdagdag ng tubig para maluto yung ating pork. And sa pagdagdag ng tubig, the boiling the better. Okay, so, ayan na siya ka-friendship. Hayaan na lang muna natin sa dyan hanggang sa maluto yung ating pork. Balikan natin siya later. Ayan na po ka-friendship, luto na yung ating pork. So, what we're going to do next is, pwede na natin idagdag ang ating hipon, ang ating shrimp. Okay, so hayaan na lang muna natin sa dyan ka-friendship hanggang sa maluto yung ating hipon. Balikan natin siya later. Ayan, okay na yung ating hipon ka-friendship. What we are going to do next is, pwede na natin idagdag ang ating kalabasa, ang ating sitaw, ang ating okra, ang ating talong, so, pwede tayong magdagdag ng kunting tubig ka-friendship para maluto yung ating vegetables. Okay? So, huwag hayaang ma-overcook yung ating vegetables ka-friendship. Mas maganda kapag half-cook lang siya. So, ayan. Balikan natin siya later, ka-friendship. So, tingnan natin, ka-friendship, kung okay na yung vegetables natin. So, ayan. Medyo half cook na siya. What we're going to do next is idagdag natin ang ating ampalaya. Ayan, isisimmer lang natin siya, ka-friendship, ng at least another 3 minutes. And balikan natin siya later. So, ayan, ka-friendship, okay na yung ampalaya natin. Pwede na natin idagdag ang ating siling haba. Ayan. At saka ang ating coconut milk. So, ayan. Simmer lang natin siya ng kaunti, ka-friendship. Ayan. Huwag nating takpan. So, hayaan na lang muna natin siya dyan. Yep, aluto na yung ating pinakbet, Ilonggo style. So, what we're going to do next is mag-squeeze tayo ng 2 calamansi to enhance the flavor of our pinakbet. Okay, so ayan na po siya, ka-friendship. Ready for serving na siya. Ito na po yung ating finished product, ang ating pinakbet Ilonggo style. Okay, so ayan na po siya, ka-friendship. Okay, ka-friendship, sana nagustuhan ninyo ang ating pinakbet Ilonggo style for today. Kindly hit that like and share button. And to those who are new to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button and kindly include the notification bell. And every single comment is highly appreciated. Once again, this is Toto Mira at your service. Always remember, winning doesn't always mean being first. Winning means you're doing better than you've done before. Okay? Thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video. God bless us all. Bye-bye!